Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking off with two high-flying contenders in the world of drones. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. Music fades out. Alright, let's zoom in on the cameras. TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your backpack. Cut to footage captured by TENSSENX drone, showing high-quality images and video. Meanwhile, TOMZON P5G also comes in hot with a 4K UHD camera, 90 degrees adjustability, and a wide-angle lens. It's like the GoPro of the skies. Cut to footage captured by TOMZON P5G drone, showing high-quality images and video. Both drones are giving us that crisp, clear, I can see my pores from here quality. But let's not kid ourselves, they'll both make you look better than your ex's new partner on social media. Now onto GPS and auto return. TENSSENX has a smart GPS feature that returns home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low battery. It's basically the responsible adult in the room. Cut to animation of TENSSENX drone returning home autonomously. TOMZON P5G isn't slacking either. It has a high-precision GPS system with an auto-return feature that's like a boomerang. It always comes back. Even if you try to lose it, it'll find you. Cut to animation of TOMZON P5G drone returning home autonomously. Both drones probably have a better sense of direction than I do after a couple of drinks. Let's be real. Let's talk flight time. TENSSENX gives you up to 46 minutes with its two modular batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show, or just enough time to realize you forgot to hit record. Cut to footage of TENSSENX drone flying for an extended period. TOMZON P5G offers 30, not as long as TENSSENX, but still enough time to get some epic shots before it needs a nap. Cut to footage of TOMZON P5G drone flying for an extended period, so TENSSENX wins this round with its marathon flight time. TOMZON, you're good, but maybe drink some more coffee next time. TENSSENX is lightweight, foldable, and comes with a durable carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, minus the corkscrew. Cut to footage of TENSSENX drone being folded and placed in its carrying case. TOMZON P5G also comes in a portable, waterproof carrying case. It's ready for adventure, rain, or shine. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no need to register with the FAA. Less paperwork, more flying. We like that. Cut to footage of TOMZON P5G drone being folded and placed in its carrying case. Both drones are travel-friendly, but TENSSENX might have a slight edge with its foldable design. It's like packing a parachute, compact and ready to deploy. Lastly, let's dive into the intelligent functions. TENSSENX offers Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, Point of Interest, and voice and gesture control. It's basically the drone that listens to you better than your significant other. Cut to footage showing TENSSENX drone using its intelligent functions. TOMZON P5G isn't far behind with similar features like Follow Me, Circle Flight, Custom Path Flight, and GPS auto return. Plus, it has an app that makes you feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Cut to footage showing TOMZON P5G drone using its intelligent functions. Both drones are smarter than my smartphone, but TENSSENX might win this round for having that extra bit of sass with voice and gesture control. Looking at the reviews, TENSSENX users seem to appreciate its durability, ease of use, and overall value. Though some TOMZON P5G users praise its affordability, camera quality, and customer support, although there have been a few SingSing issues reported. So, there you have it. Both the TENSSENX and TOMZON P5G are fantastic drones with their own strengths. TENSSENX might have a slight edge in flight time and intelligent features, but TOMZON P5G holds its own with portability and ease of use. Cut to split screen of both drones side by side. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Upbeat music plays. Screen fades to black with channel logo and subscribe button, voiceover. Buy Smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.